Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So if you have watched our previous video where we complete road design in 35 minutes, just we in that video we just followed steps. Okay, we just followed steps from importing point to finally generating the cut and fill volume report. Okay, so in that video I told you like we have to correct this particular the cut and fill the way it is. So surface the corridor surface that we created actually is followed the top links. Okay, so it went like this, and by comparison of our existing surface and the top level the corridor surface, it gave us the volume, but it is actually wrong. Why? Because this particular part is not this particular the roadway, the highway part that you have material base, sub base, and other material asphalts. These materials are not part of the cut and fill. Okay, so our volume should exclude these parts. These parts should be excluded. So how are we gonna do that? So that we have to do first. Okay, so we have already displayed, every setting is ready. Okay, so we just go back to our corridor and select our corridor and go to the corridor properties, and here you have go to the surfaces and just open it. So here right now it's a top and overhang is none. Okay, so we have to correct for the overhang correction. Okay, so let's first put just select this, and then we go to this part so that this is visible also. Okay, okay, this is visible. Okay, okay, you see how the hatch is crossing this part. Okay, so you go to the corridor is already selected, go to the corridor properties, and the bottom has code of the bottom code. Okay, datum code. So we go to the links and we say this bottom or datum code. Okay, and add it to our this particular, we add it to our surface, this should be selected. Okay, so we add it to datum, and overhang should be at the datum. Okay, so bottom links. Okay, so the bottom links what we have here, and say apply. Okay, okay, now you will see all of our cross sections will update, and this will hide, and another, the surface will become go down. Okay, you see the surface will go from here. Okay, so that was to be, for which purpose? That was for this particular purpose of showing top elevations. Okay, as you see this, if you select this, now it is showing elevation at the bottom. Okay, you see all are showing the elevation at the bottom. Okay, so that surface was useful for showing the top elevations. Okay, and this surface is useful to calculate our volume correctly. Okay, so you see here also, you will see wherever there is cut from the bottom, it is showing from bottom. Okay, so this is actually the correct way. So that's why maybe what we have to do is we select our corridor. Okay, and then go to the corridor properties and create another surface also. Okay, we create another surface, and this one we put it as this one. For this we did top. Okay, the code is top, and overhang correction is also for top links. Okay, and we say apply. Okay, so you need two surfaces, one to show the top elevations, okay, and another to calculate volume correctly. Okay, so this is a very important thing. A lot of people may commit mistake on this. Okay, so let's update it, and then we will go to our cross sections, select one of the cross sections. So right now we are, you know this one, the setting is displaying displaying the elevation for the bottom. Okay, so we select one of our cross section and go to the view group properties, and here on the on the sections we go to the level. Okay, and maybe we have to sample it first. It's not probably sampled, so sample more sources, and this, you see there is a difference. It's corridor tutor 1 and this one is 2, so add it. Okay, so 2 you have added and apply. Okay, so this will be visible on others also. And okay, and then we can put our levels to that particular surface. Okay, okay, let it update. Update. Okay, so this is updated. So again we collect our and go to the view properties, and here you see to another one. So for first one we have to remove it, so no levels. Okay, okay, and apply. So no levels, but this one we have to put level. So our level was tutorial level set. Okay, so we say okay and apply. Okay, cool. Let's see if it correctly displays our levels or not. Okay, let it update for a while. Okay, you see now it displays at the top. Okay, so this is why you need two surfaces. Okay, you see it is correctly, following our roadway. Okay, so this is that's all for this video, guys, and in next video we will see other things, other customizations. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Have a great day.